as always, high five. After the 5, okay, let me shut off this video camera right here, because we don't need it anymore. There it is. Oh, and maybe I turn this. Let's see. Ha ha ha. Happy Independence Day if you're here in the US. It's good times. Oh, you know what? Shoot, let me make sure the PETG print is going. I didn't watch the first layer, and I know you should. Okay, good. That's working well. How did you like this as far as a video? I'm gonna put this back too. How did you like this video as far as usefulness or practicality or anything like that? I think I showed some good concepts, and I think I showed how 3D printing itself as a tool in a greater toolbox is an incredibly valuable thing. I really love those shelves. In fact, we're gonna do the rest of this over here. I just want to stare at it a little bit. Turn with me, camera. There we go. Hey, that was fun. Oh man, over 2 days. I am sweaty. I don't know if you can tell. My main mission here on the channel, of course, is to inspire and educate and have a lot of fun along the way. And let's take it in reverse. So this build was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun for me, and I hope it was a lot of fun for you. I hope Sean had a lot of fun editing it. I think it was educational. It shows that 3D printed brackets, even minimal 3D printed brackets, can withstand a lot of force. In fact, using that crane scale, we were able to produce a lot of weight, and it could withstand that weight. The Volspot with the more extruder making these brackets that are nearly solid plastic, and they only take an hour to print. So if you wanted to just go hog wild and get a more extruder, you could print brackets for nearly anything. 1.2 millimeter nozzle on that. This was a lot of fun. Let's see, so it was a lot of fun, it was educational, and it was inspiring. I really want to show that there's nothing but the limits of your imagination, and being able to course correct and get square or rectangular or, you know, lumber instead of dowel, I think. So I'm able to save money and create exactly what I want. And it looks really, really good. It looks so good in person. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. A big thanks to everybody who is supporting me and watching this. And I hope my hope is that you are inspired. I hope that you are inspired to do something cool like this, because this is a lot of fun and it's pretty cool. Hey, you know what? Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.